So we are currently solving the classical interview coding question, best time to buy and sell stock. So previously I solved this using a brute force approach. Now I am currently using optimized approach to solve these kind of problems. So here I will solve this code using optimized. So for initially I'll start with the day one, and I'll take it as a prices dot length and increment this. So here I'm traversing on day one, and the initial buy price would be, I will take here buy price is prices of 0. Initially I'll take the first bought price as the buy price, and later I will traverse through with it. So if through traversing, if I found any lower buy price than the previous one, I will need to update that one. So if buy price less than prices of I need to update the buy price to reduce and to increase the profit. So here buy price equals to prices of I. If it is not, so I will calculate the max profit and current profit. So to find out the current profit, I will take the variable as current profit, and by identifying the differences between the current price to the buy price, I will take the current profit. So through this we will get the current profit, and I will take another variable to find out the maximum profit. Through this profit variable we will get the profit. So here we need to compare this profit with the current profit. So through math.max function we need to compare this profit with the current profit. So finally we found we need to return the profit, which gives us the maximum profit that achieved from this transaction. So let's run this code. So there is a mistake here, sorry for that, and let's run this code again. So by prices, so here there is a small mistake I put. I'll remove the prices. Is there any error if we found out in the code? So the case 2 is passed, but the case 1 is not passed. But here I will take it as, is there any mistake? So I will take it as a 0. Let's find out if it works. So it is not. Let's wait a moment here. Let's check for the question again. So if buy price, for example, if I bought it at 7 rupees, if 1 is lower than 7, so 7 is less than 1. If it is not true, then it moves to the else statement, and the prices of I is 1 minus 7. So here the current profit is 6 minus 6. So it is not, then you need to update, right? So yeah, this one I thought it's a mistake. Prices of I less than buy price, then it should be, we need to update this one. This is how, yeah, it is accepted the question. So this is how we need to optimize the code. So here the time complexity for this code is off, and because we only used a single for loop and we don't need to take any extra space to store this question. So the space complexity for this question is often. So this is how we need to solve these kind of classic problems. It takes time to solve these kind of problems. Keep on practicing.